Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go. Think that's good?
Mm-hmm.
Or like that one?
Yeah, we should do.
That will be the thumbnail. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have jar openers. Now, once again, I got this from Temu, and like I said, I was skeptical on shopping on this site, but it is legit. This stuff is cheap and it comes in at least 5 days. So right here we have
Our jar openers.
Jar openers. Now I got this one.
How much does these cost?
I think it was like $3 or something.
$3.
It was cheap. And right here I got another one. So we are going to test all of these out, and yeah, so let's go ahead and start the testing.
I want to see which one is bigger. Is it?
No, these two are the same. That one's bigger than this one.
Both of them are bigger than.
All right, so I got one for me, and I got one for the kitchen. I want one for the garage just in case I get something that's automotive and I need to turn the lid or something. I don't know. I just want it in the garage. All right, so let's open up some jars. Let's get out a couple of cans of something. Now, this is not brand new cans, but
perfect.
You see that groove right there?
Yeah.
You got to go with the groove.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Perfectly fit.
All right, now when you get on top, squeeze, and so easy a kid can do it. Once again, I'm trying to look for something that's brand new here. I don't have nothing brand new. Y'all know those pickle jars usually be hard to open when it's brand new.
Exactly.
You can twist it back on regular.
All right, let's see this. Oh, this one's a little too big, I think.
This one is a dipping thing.
Dipping sauce.
Dipping sauce.
Yeah.
Now open it up like this.
Oh, like that. Oh.
Yeah. Can it fit? There you go.
There. And then, boom.
Boom. All right.
This is easy.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't have no new jars.
Like sometimes when the top is small, like you have to make it like this part of it has to go facing the top.
Yeah, the recess part. So
yeah.
We already tried to open that.
Yeah, I know.
So this is a new jar. Usually the ragu jars are easy to open.
Ooh, we might have to go on.
Get close to the refrigerator.
So we're going on the medium one. Ooh.
Ooh, and there you go.
Y'all heard that? There.
All right.
So this was 3 jars. These two fit in the... Wait, let's sort them out. These two fit in the big one. This one fits in the medium. And we're going to see these 2 small ones.
Yeah.
Whatever can fit.
2 small ones. Let's see.
And we're going to test out this one. Well, I mean, basically this one is...
Those are the same, so we don't need to test them.
This one too, we're going to test out.
All right, right here we have cocktail sauce. That's what they use for shrimp and stuff. All right, easy with that one.
Yep.
Let me try to tighten it up real tight. Go ahead, loosen it. Try this.
Let's see if this one is at least strong enough. This one doesn't have that much grip on it, honestly.
Yeah, that one is...
Yeah, this one is...
That one don't look like it's too much grip on this one. Let's see.
This one is
weird.
This one has like perfect grip on it.
Yeah, you guys. So I'll put a link. Save your money on this one. This one, wrong way. That was righty-tighty. Yeah, that one's easier. So this one is definitely worth it. This one is hard too.
Ooh, this one might be a challenge. But all of our challenges are accepted.
All right. All right, you guys. So This bottle or jar opener, whatever you want to call it, is amazing. Is worth it. This one is like, you save your money, don't get it.
Yeah, don't get that.
All right, so I don't know why opening cans was fun today. I just don't know. But anyways, like, comment, and subscribe.
And make sure to turn on that bell for notifications.
Later.